Annyeong guys, so may question si Kali, how much daw yung usual na ticket charge? So this is for Jonghae and fan meeting our time in Manila. And ito is sa Ticketnet makakabili ng tickets guys, and usually ang ticket charge is 6%. So i-compute natin, bali itong mga nasa ilalim, yung posted prices na wala pang ticketing charges, and ito na yung meron. Ayan guys, so kung 6% pa rin nga ang ticketing charges, so yung 3,200 ng balcony, from 3,200 magiging 3,392 na siya. Then yung lodge, from 4,800 magiging 5,088 na. Patron, from 5,500 magiging 5,830. VIP, from 8,500 magiging 9,010 pesos na. And yung MVP na 11,000 is magiging 11,660 pesos na. And ito pa guys, kapag sa online kayo bumili, sa website ng Ticketnet, may online ticketing charge pa na 150 pesos. So, idadagdag nyo pa yon. So, antayin na lang din natin guys yung official post nila for the final ticket prices including the ticketing charges. Again, Jonghae in fan meeting our time in Manila. Kailan po? December 21 Saturday, 6 PM at New Frontier Theater. And ito yung bonggang fan benefits na may pag-goodbye session to all ticket holders. Kahit na balcony pa o pinakamura pa yung bilhin mo, is may kita mo siya ng malapitan, is makakapag-goodbye ka kay Jonghae in OPA. Kailan po makakabilang tickets? Ayan, starting October 7, Monday na po, 12 noon, via Ticketnet outlets and www.ticketnet.com.ph.